After getting the handle, we first turn it on. The default password is 68S. The left joystick controls forward and backward movement, and the right joystick controls left and right steering. The middle button is one touch forward. You can use the joystick to cancel. The upper left button is one touch left turn, and the upper right button is one touch right turn. Press and hold the start button at the same time, and the cut start on the motor screen can turn on the blade. You can press the emergency stop button when you need to stop urgently. C1 is the switch for auto dumping bag. Note, for machines equipped with auto dumping bag. C2 means that the warning prompt can be cleared. Next is the switch for smart speed and manual speed. Push to the right to turn on the smart speed, and the machine will adjust the blade speed according to the lawn conditions. Push to the left to turn on the manual adjustment switch, and the gear button below can adjust the speed of 1 to 3 gears. The higher the gear, the faster the speed. The button on the right can adjust the gear of the vehicle speed. The left is slow, and pushing to the right is fast.